These are the laws you should set before them. And this pasuk in the Zohar HaKodesh it says, Ve'alin inun, sidurin de girgula. These are the ways of reincarnations. Sidrei HaGilgul. What is the connection between reincarnation, Ve'ele HaMishpatim, and these are the laws? Who asked this question? The Maggid of Mezrich. Whom did he ask it to? The great Rebbe. His Rebbe, the Baal Shem Tov. And the Baal Shem Tov told him, if you really want to understand, go to a certain forest. There's a little spring over there. You hide behind the tree until midday, then you'll understand. The Maggid Mezrich did what the Baal Shem Tov said. He hid behind the tree and he waited to see what's going to happen. Suddenly, a guy comes riding a horse. He sits down, he eats his meal, and then he gets on the horse again and leaves. But when he got up, he didn't realize he dropped his wallet. A few minutes later, somebody else comes, sits down, wants to rest from his traveling. He eats something and he notices there's a wallet there. So he takes it and leaves. Not too long after that, a poor guy comes over, sits down, starts eating bread, drinks water, and then he falls asleep. The first guy comes rushing back. He wakes up this poor guy and says, "Where is my money? You stole my wallet." The poor guy says, "What are you talking about? I have no idea what you're talking about." And the guy said, "I was just here just not too long ago. I dropped my wallet. You have been the only one here. I know you stole my money. Give me back my money." And the poor guy says, "I don't know what you're talking about. I'm really sorry, but I didn't touch your money. I didn't see your wallet." And the first guy started hitting him. He hit him bad. And then he left. And the Maggid Mezrich doesn't understand what's going on. And then it's midday, so he left. He went back to the Baal Shem Tov. He said, "I saw everything that happened, but I still don't understand." And the Baal Shem Tov told him, "Let me explain to you what happened. These three guys were already here once. They're recycled neshamas. They came back in a Gilgul. One of them was a borrower. One of them was the lender. One of them was the judge. The guy who lost his wallet, previous round, owed money to the guy who found the wallet. The poor guy was the judge between them in the previous round. But he was negligent in judgment. He didn't really look into what was going on into that case, and he dismissed it. Therefore now they came to fix that. The guy who lost the wallet, it's rightfully so, he owed the money to the guy who found the wallet. And the judge, he got now his punishment. He got hit real hard. These are the laws you're going to set before them. This sometimes has to do with the Gilgul. Sometimes we don't understand certain things. How do they work? Why did this happen to this guy? Kodesh Baruch Hu arranges things so everything should be perfect. Everything should be rectified. Should be completed. The Gilgul, if it's not in this round, it's in the next round or in the previous one.